Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Frontier. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, bed liner, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, luggage rack. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, keyless start, MP3 player. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.